Hello guys, welcome to 5th generation na Bishop and welcome to another unboxing and testing. Shoutout po natin Sir Mike Valdez. Ayan, meron tayo ditong WE Glock 19 Gen 4 Silver Slide Black Frame Gas Blowback Airsoft Pistol Compact Metal Slide Polymer Frame by WE made in Taiwan. May kasama na siyang bala at gas. Ayan, silver slide. Ayan siya markings. Ayan, Gen 4. Glock 19 Gen 4. Gas blowback airsoft pistol. Ang WE made in Taiwan. So testing natin. Okay, so ito po yung kanyang magazine. 19 rounder gas mag. Ito yung green gas. Kargahan natin ng gas upside down, inverted position. 3 to 5 seconds. Ayan. Silver slide black frame Glock 19 Gen 4 testing. Testing po Glock 19 Gen 4 gas blowback airsoft pistol ng WE. And firing. Pag wala na siyang bala, nag-open slide, release mag, attack release, and hammer down. Okay. All goods. Glock 19 Gen 4 silver slide black frame airsoft pistol.